you $500 plus the 2 utilities. That's not a good deal, sure.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's better than what you're offering.
I'm giving him a chance to buy houses, sure.
I'm giving him. It's only 2 utilities.
The most he can make over that is $150.
No, that's not true. 10 times
the dice.
Look, okay, look, you gotta give me more than just these 2 for this, seriously.
No.
Come on, seriously.
No, you're raping me at this point.
How am I raping you?
You're raping me.
You're into the...
Alright, this is too much time. Roll the dice. Roll the dice. Roll the dice.
Hey, he haw. DJ Billy Mill, baby. He haw. He haw. He haw. You okay, huh? Why are you on the kitchen floor, yeah? You okay? You okay, though, eh?